Hi guys, my name is Vix. Today learn how to make money on Shopify website. So let's get started. How to make money on Shopify website. So enter. So start on first of all website open loading. So result some moments. So cross guys, so beautiful interface on Shopify website on the world. So sell online with Shopify, trusted by our 1.7 million business worldwide. First of all, enter your email address. Let's suppose my email address abc@gmail.com. So enter and premium features. So website start free trial. Try Shopify free for 14 days. No credit card required. By enter your email, you agree to receive marketing emails and Shopify. Wow, that's good option. New user Shopify website start free trials 15 days, no any expense. So descriptions, customizable templates, free website designed to launch your store quickly and easily. Point 2, all in one. Shopify take care of everything from marketing and payments, secure transaction and shippings. Point 3 and last, a safe and efficient platform. More than a million users trust Shopify to manage their online store. That's good website on the world. Shopify really earn money on the social networks. So guys, thank you, watch your video.